All right, what's going on, traders? I'm back with another update on our US30 quantum trading bot. This is another weekly update and show you guys exactly how this bot trades. This is a risk to reward bot, which trades during New York Open, and all you need is 30 minutes a day to be profitable using this trading bot. The last video, we had 782% 2 weeks ago when we launched this video. Now the account has grown significantly, and I'm going to show you guys the results. You guys can see that this is the US30 parabolic trading bot. Currently, the account sits at 846% in profit. We have been running this bot from February 28, 2023 until now for over 2 years. So here is my MT4, and I'm just going to go all the way down to the profits. The total profits right now sit at, you can see the balance right here, $846,182.80. And that is just like my social trader tool right here, $846,182. So the account has now grown 846% in profit, beating any kind of other trading bot. This bot was designed specifically for prop firms by our team of engineers. It only takes 1 to 3 trades during New York Open, so you never have to worry about hitting their max daily loss. So all you're going to be doing is risking only 1.5% during the challenge phase. And then once you guys are funded, we do recommend risking only 1%. So you guys can see that the lot size are 200 lots, but this account has grown so much that is why it's 200 lots. But on the 200K account on the FTMO, you guys will be using 50 lots, and then on a 100,000 account, you guys will be using 25 lots, and then 50,000 will be about 12 lots, and so on and so on. So you guys can see that one losing trade, it lost $4,000. So if you guys were using 50 lots, if you guys do lose the trade, then you guys will be losing $1,000 per trade. So if you guys lost 2 trades on Friday, then you would have lost exactly 1% on your FTMO account. So here's my MetaTrader right now. So you can see the profits are exactly the same, $946,182, just like on the bottom, $946,182. So instead of going through every single trade, I am just going to go over the weekly profits and show you guys exactly what I mean. This is a risk to reward bot. This is not an HFT bot. You will have some losing days, but overall, because of the risk to reward, the bot will be consistently profitable. Just like on my social trader tool, you can see the growth of this bot, even though there are going to be some days that you guys are going to lose. So on Friday, we did end up taking 2 losing trades, but that is bound to happen, especially with trading. So on the 31st of March, you can see right here, we had 1 winning trade, 3,340, and then we had 2 losing trades right there. So minus 4,000, minus 4,000. So again, we lost about 0.5% on that day. And then on the 1st of April, we made up for some of it. We made $8,000 right there, and then lost $4,000 on the second trade, and then won a small profit of $300. On the 2nd of April, again, if you guys used 50 lots on your FTMO account, then that means that you guys would have lost 1,000, so you would have lost exactly 1%. And then on the very same day, we made up for it. We made up for those losses. So basically, on the 2nd of April, it was a break-even day. All right, so that was 8,000. And then on the 3rd of April, we had one win, 4,320, another win, 4,520, and then a small win of $20. So this was a winning day of over 1%. And then again, this is what I mean by this is a risk to reward bot. You guys can see that on this day, we hit $24,000 in profit. And then on the 7th of April, we had another profit of $4,000. Sometimes this happens as well, $40 and $280. The reason why the profits are so small like this is because of the trailing stop loss. So the bot was actually in profit, but before it gives it all up and goes into a drawdown, it actually closes the trades because of the trailing stops. And then on the 9th, we had 1 losing trade, minus 4,000. And then you can see on the 10th, we had another huge win of 24,000. The risk to reward on this bot is absolutely insane. So this week, we had 2 trades of 24,000 and 24,000. And then on the 11th, we had 2 losing trades, minus 4,000, minus 4,000. So that was actually exactly 1% loss that day, bringing our total profits to $44,820 for the week. If I break this down on a calculator, then we're going to see exactly how much it would average out $44,820 for the week on a 200 lot size. So if I divide that by 2, then that would be 100 lots. Then that would be $22,410. And then if I divide this by 2 again, and we are using 50 lots on the FTMO account, then that means that for this week, we would have profited $11,205. Many people ask, how long does it actually take to pass the FTMO challenge using this US30 bot? Give this as the average, times this by 3 weeks, then that means that you would have actually passed phase 1, $20,000, and phase 2, $10,000. So you would have already passed both phases and be in profit of $3,615 in about 3 weeks. Around 2 to 3 weeks to pass. There have been some weeks that it's done 20,000. There have been some weeks that it's done a little bit less. So about 2 to 3 weeks to pass and then get you funded. And you guys can continue to use this bot once you guys are funded. So this should give you a rough idea about this US30 trading bot. So this is our trading discussion group. We have hundreds of members in here and everyone helps each other. This week on the 9th of April, some members were able to secure multiple payouts. Again, obviously from FTMO, one from Effexify. And all the members actually help each other, give each other strategies. And we also have 3 admins in there helping all of the members. So you can see right here, strategies that this member gave. One of the other members right now, Luke, he's actually funded over $1 million across 5 different prop firms: FTMO, Effexify, Funded Next, Alpha Capital, and EA Funding. And then he also shared some breakdowns of how he uses the bots and how he trades the accounts. So a lot of profits this week. So with any purchase of our EA or our services, you guys will be added to this group where hundreds of members actually help each other. On the same day, on the 9th of April, another member secured $27,000 in profit. So everyone has been winning. Some other trade setups right here from another member right here. This is his strategy using FTMO and Effexify. So we have hundreds of members in here who are funded across multiple prop firms, some with 7 figures. So if you guys also are interested in trading on prop firms or just trading through your own broker, we also have other members who trade live capital on their own broker, and you guys want to join a winning team, then make sure you guys, again, hit this link right here, reach out to one of our members to also help you get started on your trading journey.